The iBayam Kitchen Poultry Shears you mentioned are heavy-duty meat scissors that are dishwasher safe and designed for various food preparation tasks. Here are some key features of these scissors. 1. Material. The scissors are made of high-quality stainless steel, which makes them durable and resistant to corrosion. 2. Design. They feature a sharp and sturdy blade with micro-serrated edges, allowing for precise cutting of meat, poultry, fish, vegetables, herbs, and other food items. The serrations help provide a firm grip and prevent slipping while cutting. 3. Ergonomic handles. The scissors have comfortable, non-slip handles that offer a secure grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. The handles are also designed for both left-handed and right-handed users. 4. Multi-purpose functionality. These kitchen shears can be used for various tasks, such as cutting through bones, trimming fat, spatchcocking poultry, cracking nuts, opening packages, and more. They are versatile tools for both professional chefs and home cooks. 5. Dishwasher safe. The shears are dishwasher safe, making cleaning them a breeze. However, it's always a good practice to dry them thoroughly after washing to prevent any potential rusting. 6. 2-pack. The iBayam Kitchen Poultry Shears come in a pack of 2, providing you with a backup pair or the option to use them simultaneously when needed. 7. Color options. The available color options for these shears are black and aqua sky, allowing you to choose the one that matches your kitchen decor or personal preference. Overall, these iBayam Kitchen Poultry Shears are a versatile and durable tool for various food preparation tasks. They offer the convenience of dishwasher-safe cleaning and come in a pack of 2, ensuring you have a spare pair on hand.